Hello, we're at IFA 2009 at the Berlin Radio Tower, and we're here with Mr. Amsterdam. Hello, how are you?
Very good, and you?
Very well, thank you very much. Mr. Amsterdam is from the Harman International company, and he's going to be introducing to us some of his products. So how do you think if we go up downstairs and check out what you want to introduce to us?
Excellent, sounds very good.
So can you please give us a bit of an introduction to the company and the brands that are under the umbrella of the company?
Sure. Harman is a very big company, actually. We are doing a lot of business with the automotive industry. We're supplying a lot of electronics to these navigation systems. We also sell a lot of loudspeakers in our consumer group, and there's also a very big part of the company that is doing products for the professional audio. All the world, or most of the worldwide concerts are driven by JBL. 70% of the loudspeakers that you find in cinema are also JBL products. And it's basically you can use anywhere from the recording of music all the way through the range of recording, producing, mixing, all the way to listening music back at home. In that chain of products, there is always a product from the Harman Group that you can use. So it's actually quite a large country, a large company, and a lot of products that we have to offer.
So you could say that Harman has come into most homes around the world.
Well, that's our aim, absolutely, yes.
And which would you say are your main markets?
Our main markets are European markets, Germany, Scandinavia, France, Netherlands. We're doing a lot of business in India. We do a lot of business in the United States. Obviously, we do a lot of business in Germany, not only in the consumer industry, but also a lot of business with the Mercedes-Benz, with Porsche, with BMW, which are all located here in Germany.
So I know that today you're going to be doing a demonstration for us.
Yes.
Could you please just introduce the product and tell us a bit of the features?
Sure. One of the highlights here at the show is a product that's called AVR 760, a high-end audio-video receiver, completely Blu-ray ready, lots of HDMI inputs, HDMI outputs, which is also among the first products that has a new technology from Dolby, which is called Dolby Volume, that actually allows people that have annoying breaks in commercials coming up and need to go and look for the remote control, switch down the volume, and when the commercial breaks over, they need to look for the remote control again because the rest of the movie is at a much lower level. So Dolby Volume is actually leveling that out. I can now listen to a movie without any annoying commercial breaks that are kicking in at very high volumes, or people that have iPod music that is not recorded all at the same level. They can now all be played back without the level changing from one to the other music track. We believe that's actually a very nice feature, very easy to demonstrate in retail, and it's very, very good benefit for the customer, easy to understand.
No, I'm definitely sure that many of the viewers are going to be very happy about listening about that feature that's coming out. Yeah. So we can go ahead and have a bit of a demonstration, sure. So our viewers can watch.
I already mentioned that it has HDMI that is completely capable of upscaling to 1080p. What we do in this product as well is that we have the complete on-screen menu in high definition. All of that with the aim for the customer to easily control our product. Our products, we say ourselves, should do 5 things. They should look good, they should sound good, they should be easy to operate, they should not fail, and they should also be very easy to control. In order to have the product easily controlled, we're having first of all an on-screen display that is choosable in 6 different languages. We also, when we want to have our customers set up our products, want to help them as much as possible. And we do that, for instance, by not just on the menu showing how and where a product needs to be connected, but if people need to connect something to a component, we also show the image of the component input so that it's easier for people to as video. So not just in the manual write how to connect it, but also show how it needs to be connected. I can do that per source, per individual source. I can do all settings individually. If we are setting up the loudspeakers, for instance, I have a menu that shows the loudspeaker positions. If I'm adding loudspeakers, for instance, switching on the surround loudspeakers, I see them appear on the screen as well. I can charge or I can change If, for instance, I change these front loudspeakers, if I say that they're actually big, I also visually see them appear bigger on the screen. And we believe that we put all those kind of functionalities, additional functionalities in the product so that it's easier to control and easier to operate our products. Because after all, you don't want to need a technician, you don't want to need to be a technician to actually use our products. What you really want to do is benefit from all the features that we put into this product without thinking about how they work. It should all be automatically, and that's what we help on trying to do for our customers.
Excellent. Well, thank you very much for the demonstration.
Thank you very much.
Well, we know that 2009 has been a bit of a difficult year worldwide with the crisis. How is the company responded to that? Is there some new products that have come out to respond to the crisis, or is there some new strategy?
Well, the most visible thing for us at IFA is that, for instance, we are at this IFA for the first time only focused on our retail partners, on our press and on our international sales offices and distributors. We've chosen a formula to spend less money, to focus on the people that are together with us trying to get these products to the market. That means that we have much more time to spend with our dealers because we do not have to answer to questions from final end consumers. It is a bit of a pity, of course, that we cannot show our new products to everybody, not directly to our customers, but again, with the help of our great retail partners, not only here in Berlin, not only in Germany, there is where we can show our products. We want to focus on just our retail partners, bringing and explaining the right marketing campaigns to our dealers that will help during the selling season to get these great products out to the market. We don't want to save on developing products. We still have budgets enough to make great products as long as they fulfill the need of looking good, sounding good and easy to operate.
Excellent. And how has IFA 2009 been so far?
Very good, very good. I'm not talking to the salespeople every time, but from the first results that I hear, it's a very great show, and yeah, absolutely.
So to those final consumers that could not join you at this IFA 2009 and will be watching this video, what message would you like to send them?
I think there's just one message, and I'm actually very happy to announce that also on your TV, is that there will be very soon new websites of all of our consumer audio brands available. The Harman-Kardon one, the JBL one, will go live later this week. So for all of you that unfortunately do not have the time to go and visit our products here on the booth, the new website is going to be available very soon, and there you have all the information necessary to look at our great products.
Excellent. Well, watch out for that website. Thank you very much for being with us.
Thank you very much.